2012 Volvo XC70. Original windshield from 2012. Car was made in April 2012. I'm pushing the windshield out and you can see it's moving. This was full of water here. The control unit got ruined. I have to replace it. Shifter is getting replaced. I'm doing a lot of work on this car. As you can see, there is a hint for what's to come. If you can tell what this is the original one. This is the one that's going to be installed. It's a long story. I can't finish it in a short video, but I've been drying it for a few days now, and it's at a garage getting the windshield replaced because the windshield is cracked there. And of course, to fix the rust that's here. So they're gonna have to maybe cut and weld a new piece of metal or fix it. I don't know what they're gonna do exactly. It has the washers in the front, so this is gonna be replaced at a certain point along with the level sensors. It has the city safety, but I'm adding the camera for lane departure. It doesn't have an adaptive cruise control, but it has the blind spot monitoring. It's a T6, if you can tell. And the sticker is getting replaced. There's a lot of work going. It's going to be my winter project. Just changed the oil, air filter, cabin filter. There's a lot of cleaning that needs to be done, you see. Cargo cover is missing. Dirty, needs a lot of cleaning. It's the T6 all-wheel drive. This needs to be fixed. This is torn, so I'm probably gonna replace the door card. I replaced the tail lights already. They were cracked and they were leaking water. I have the service records of the car since day one. I know what's been done, but you can see it's been really neglected. There's a lot that needs to be done here. I did a lot of cleaning on this, and that was just the stage one. When I got the car, it's been serviced at Volvo all of its life. This was already cracked, so I'm gonna have to work a way to glue this back or maybe just replace it. The belts inside here, the belt and the tensioner and the idler have been replaced. I'm doubting the alternator. It has 235,000 kilometers, so maybe the alternator needs a replacement. So we'll see. We'll have more information about that later. Removing the headlights is a very simple Volvo. Very nice idea. This wire is extra. That cover is broken, so that's going to be replaced as well. This wire, I think it's for the towing hitch or for the towing attachment. Original hood, original paint. I removed that last night. There was just a Volvo dealer sticker here. So I'm gonna use some tape removal and get it out. You can see it's coming off. But right now, its purpose here is to enter into the garage and have the windshield replaced and the roof fixed. But the windshield that's going in is not the same windshield as this one. So the scratches and all of that is going to be taken care of at a later date. I'm not going to pay for that. I'll probably do it alone on my own. Dents, yeah, there are some dents. shocks are surprisingly good for the age and the mileage. So you see the dents here, there's one there, and there's two here. Maybe cold paintless repair. Rear brakes are still in very good shape, but the rotors are rusty. Yeah, needs some work. Front brakes are absolutely finished. They're just completely done, so new brakes are going in there. Yeah, well, manufacturing, April 2012. Mileage. Shifter is coming in from a 2013. The buttons here, if you know what they are, I'm gonna let you guess. These buttons are right here. But you can kind of get an idea of what I'm about to do to this car. Oh, it's my new winter project. As you can tell, still summer now, but I'm prepping for a daily driver and a project at the same time. We'll see how that goes. Plan to be done with this by maybe February, March of next year. We're in first week of September now. The year doesn't matter, but just for the record, it's 2023. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. This has been Sinan from Car Inspected.